Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you UnitedHealthcare how to submit a claim. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To submit a claim to UnitedHealthcare, what you need to do first is head over and open up your browser. Then on your search bar, simply type in UnitedHealthcare and then tap on search. Now once your search result loads, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside the home page, what you need to do is sign into your member account. Then once logged in, what you need to do is navigate to claims and accounts section and then click on submit a claim and follow the on-screen instructions, and then attach any necessary documents such as itemized bills or receipts, and then ensure all information is accurate, then submit your claim. Online submissions is typically faster and allows you for easier tracking of your claim status. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.